Today, we will be covering Pangea's latest Secure AuthN service. It's one of more than a dozen services. Pangea's AuthN service allows web application authors to quickly enable their users to create accounts and authenticate with your application securely. It takes just a few minutes to set up, and your users get secure and fully customized authentication experiences with advanced security features like social logins and multi-factor authentication. From here, we're going to have to create a new project. I'm going to be naming this Vanessa's AuthN demo and click Done. On the left-hand panel, you'll see the AuthN Beta tab. Click on that. This will prompt the token creation modal that allows you to create a token that you will be using in REST endpoint calls and SDKs to call Pangea's AuthN APIs. You can increase or decrease the scopes of the token, set the expiration time, or let it be securely managed by Pangea's Vault service. Click Next. Password-based authentication is enabled by default, and you can optionally enable Google as one of the social login methods. You can also enable any of the many MFAs for added security. Next, open a terminal. We will walk you through how you can very easily set up a Next.js app to use Pangea's AuthN service. Follow the instructions in the README file of the example app named Pangea Integration Next.js AuthN in Pangea's GitHub repo. Developers can integrate Pangea's AuthN service in any language using the REST endpoints or using SDKs available in many languages. Now we're going to have to open up this application in your preferred IDE in order to copy over the configuration values from the Pangea AuthN dashboard. Values that we're going to have to copy over include the domain value, the client token, the hosted login, as well as the bearer token. With those values copied over and saved, we are now able to run. It should be hosted on a local port, such as localhost port 3000, and open that in a new tab. Copy that URL as a redirect in your Pangea dashboard and set it as the default sign-in, default sign-up, as well as default logged out redirect. We can also enable requiring the email verification for our authentication flow. Additional customization is available for your authentication experience via Customize and View Branding. On this page, you can customize things such as the name, the logo, and there are preset configurations as well. For today, we're going to select Browser Flicks. Heading back to our localhost page, you can see that the Browser Flicks preset has propagated out to our application. We now need to sign up with our first name, last name, email, and a password in order to create an account. This prompts us to check our email due to our verification via email setting. Once clicked, it reroutes me to a page saying that I have successfully been authenticated by Pangea's AuthN service. I now have a profile page that's a private page and only viewable via an authenticated user. Go to pangea.cloud and sign up to get started.